It was absolutely amazing. I loved the variety of dancers, and just the whole costuming thing was amazing.
Playful and colorful and zany and really fun.
It was very inspiring, and the dancers were amazing.
I love the colorful costumes. It was a feast for the eyes.
Sgt. Pepper is one of my all-time favorite albums, and to hear it in a whole new context was incredible.
I loved it. It was so joyful. It made me smile the whole time.
It was fantastic. It was beyond my wildest dreams. Actually, I got choked up a bit for some parts of it, and I was really amazed by how dreamy and fun and poignant it was.
I thought it was amazing. I mean, I've been to lots of ballets, and this is nothing like it. It's like dancing, but every dance move they did was spectacular.
It's one of the most beautiful pieces that I have seen from Mark Morris's company.